Welcome to Basic Electrical Engineering Part 3, Resistance and Resistivity. This video explores key concepts about how materials oppose the flow of electric current. Materials are classified using the rule of 4 valence matrix. Conductors have under 4 valence electrons and allow current. Semiconductors have exactly 4 and control current. Insulators have over 4 and block current. The unit of electric charge is the coulomb C. 1 coulomb is equivalent to 6.25 quintillion electrons. The charge depends on the deficit or excess of electrons. Electric current I is the directed flow of free electrons. The equation is I equals Q divided by T, and the unit is ampere A. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb flowing per second. Drift velocity is the average velocity that electrons achieve in a conductor. Random motion speed is much higher than the actual drift velocity speed. The current equation can be written as I equals N asterisk E asterisk A asterisk VD. Voltage is the electric pressure. Electromotive force, or EMF, supplies energy and creates a potential rise. Potential difference, or PD, consumes energy and creates a potential drop. Resistance R opposes the flow of electric current, with collisions generating heat. The unit is ohm, where 1 ohm releases 1 joule of energy when 1 ampere flows for 1 second. Resistance is affected by physical size, according to the equation R equals RHO asterisk L bfit A. Longer cables increase resistance, while thicker cables decrease resistance. Resistivity is the natural resistance of a specific material. For example, copper metal is an excellent conductor with very low resistivity, whereas glass is an excellent insulator with very high resistivity. Conductance G is the inverse of resistance, measuring the inducement to flow. Conductivity, sigma, is the inverse of resistivity, and its unit is Siemens per meter. Heat changes resistance. For metals, heat increases resistance, known as a positive coefficient. For insulators and semiconductors, heat decreases resistance, known as a negative coefficient. Ohm's law is expressed as V divided I equals R. Ohmic conductors have constant resistance, resulting in a straight line graph. Nonlinear resistors have changing resistance, resulting in a curved line. In synthesis, voltage pushes the charge, which flows as current through the cable. Cable size and material resistivity determine the resistance, and heat can further change this resistance value.